What is up, gamers? My name is Priyam, and I was actually not gonna make a video on this because I'm very scared of what Epic might do if they see this video or something. But I just couldn't keep it to me, and that's why I'm making this video. The first thing that you'll have to do is open your web browser and open these two links. First, the Epic Games Store one, and the other one is this software. We'll get to the software in just a second, but first off, go to this page, press F12 to enter Inspect Element. And now just click on this image right here, and once you are here, we'll just take out the image URL. Click on edit as HTML, and then you see this src right here. That's the source of the image. We're gonna copy it until .jpg part and paste it right over here. And so this is the full resolution image of what Epic posted officially with the hammer teaser and whatever. So you'll just have to right click on it and save it anywhere that you want to. I'm just gonna save it on my desktop real quick, and there I have it. So the next thing is to download this software called Total Commander. It's a software that uses, it's just a very useful software for Windows. I know you're not gonna use it, but download the 64-bit version. I already have it, so I'm not gonna do it, and then simply install it. You don't have to do anything after that. And once you do all of that, just launch the software. Press number 2, whatever shows there, press that. So anyway, I have the file right here, as you can see. You might have to click here and then browse to your desktop. Anyway, I have the file, as you can see. This is the file. If I double click on it, this is the file, right? So just click on it once and then press F3. This special viewer will open up. After that, you'll have to click, you'll have to press 2 to switch to this encoded view, on which press page down, and you will be on this section. And right here, let me show you something. Alright, so I just found it, guys. As you can see right here on this part of the file, it says The Long Dark. I literally feel like Sherlock right now. This is some Sherlock stuff. I mean, who would think that we would go this deep just to find out the mystery game? If Epic doesn't fix it, we are gonna find out every single game a day before. And this is just insane. I think Epic might fix it for the next one. I seriously don't know, but if you don't know what's going on, basically every image, every file on your PC is encoded in a special form, and this software just decoded it. And all of these codes that you see right here is what makes the image. And right here we have The Long Dark. I don't know why it is there. Maybe, I mean, Epic could have removed it or something. Maybe seriously, they did not think that we would go this deep. This is insane. And also, if you haven't seen my previous video, there was this game actually in the coming day, which is today. So that list makes more sense now, definitely. But once again, I can't really assure that every single games on that list is 100% accurate. I'll definitely update you guys with anything I get to know. And this is just insane. Oh my god, make sure to share this video with your friends, leave a like before you go, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all these kind of stuff, and to help me reach, I don't know, maybe 12K or something. Thank you very much, guys. See you all in the next one.